Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to make money online with a print-on dropshipping. So let's get started. But first, what is dropshipping? With dropshipping, e-commerce companies can assign the responsibility of locating, storing, and transporting products to a third party, usually a supplier, in order to fulfill orders. Entrepreneurs looking for a minimal cost and efficiency are often drawn to this fulfillment model, but it can have drawbacks, particularly in terms of the customer's experience. A dropshipping business plan involves offering an online storefront and promoting products. You notify customers that their products are on the way and forward the order to the dropshipper when the customer puts an order. In short, you don't need to do anything. You have no control over the remaining steps of the physical fulfillment procedure. In certain dropshipping contracts, you might also be in charge of customer support with a dropshipping service, taking care of the actual products and shipments. So you will be full control with the customer support, but when it comes to dropshipping service, it will be assigned or the full control will be from the store. Now the question is, how does dropshipping work? The two main advantages of dropshipping are speed and affordability without having to invest in manufacturing, inventory, or warehousing. You may start or expand an online store with no production lag time. After sourcing your products, you're ready to begin selling right now. Nevertheless, job shopping requires careful preparation to be done right, particularly if you're also learning how to launch a business, then you should know also how this drop shipping work. Another thing, when retailers choose dropshipping, they are essentially contracting with an outside provider to handle all aspects of order fulfillment, such as what we call procurement, storage, and shipping. The type of dropshipping partner, like manufacturer, distributor, order fulfillment provider, as well as the established procedures and agreements, will determine the specifics of the operation. But typically, choosing which goods to sell and which third parties to collaborate would be the first step in implementing the dropshipping business model, especially if you have your store already. Okay, so again, goods or products to sell and third parties to collaborate. Another thing, if you want to start with dropshipping, first, of course, you have to select a business idea. A company concept outlines what and to whom you are selling. Dropshipping offers a wide range of alternatives, so you should start with a small selection of products you think will appeal to a certain market. Another thing, or number two, is original items. The ability to obtain the products to cater to your target market is not a given just because you have a great business idea. So prior to creating a website or store or researching the products, to find the products is the best thing to do. Also the pricing. And that is, I think, the most important thing about starting this drop shipping. So having this knowledge about drop shipping, the very main thing or the very first thing to do here is of course to set up your online store. And what store are we going to use here is this what we call Shopify. Okay, so this is what Shopify looks like. You have to sign up. These are the features of Shopify. So in Shopify, you will also see the information about how this drop shipping work. They have this step one, step two, step three, and step four. So you will have the knowledge on how does it work and how to find products and successful people with this kind of business. And I think you just need your email address and password. So you have to tap the start free trial. And then here, this is what it looks like. So in order to get started, you have to select from any of these questions right here, click next. And there, where would you like to sell? An online store, of course. Click next. And then what do you plan to sell first? Let's just say drop shipping products next. And then after that, you need to log in your phone number or link your phone number. Then you have your Shopify here. The next thing to do is to simply look for product supplier, and this time I am going to introduce to you Printify. So, what is this Printify? Okay, so using Printify, a print on demand platform, you can create custom graphics for anything from car mats to pillowcases to mugs to t shirts to sweatshirts. Choose a blank item from Printify, add a design, and then pick a shipping option from Printify's partners. Anyways, you can see it inside. Printify works with a shipping partner to get your created good to the customer when they purchase it from your business. It seems like the ideal framework, is it? So that's it. Now all you have to do is to sign up with Printify. They just need your email address and password, I guess, or you just have to link your email address here. So these are the features, these are the products, and in order to connect your Shopify here, what you want to do is simply click this My New Store in order for us to connect our Shopify store. Anyways, if you want to edit something with your information, you can go to store settings. They have here store name, ship from addresses or address order settings, Spotify Connect, branding, and so on. So to start or to connect, you just have to go to My New Store and then click this Add New Store here. And there are tons of sales channels here, but this time we're going to choose Shopify and we're going to connect our Shopify store. To get the URL, you just have to go to your Shopify store and then paste that URL. So this is my Shopify store. I'm going to copy this, go to Printify and then paste, and then that's it. That's how you easily connect your Shopify store to Printify. Okay? See how easy it is. All you have to do is simply set up a store and then sign up for Printify. So you need to install this so that you can connect your Printify to your Shopify store. So click install, as easy as that. Then you will see that under Shopify store or Shopify account, you will see this Printify, print on demand. And here you can select the product that you want to sell. Okay, that people can see when they visit your Shopify store. That would be under products. Okay, so this time I am going to sell a mug. Okay, so I'm going to tap this one here. We are going to design this and post this. So when people go to your Shopify store and select this, the Printify partners will be notified about this one. Yes, there are providers under Printify. You can start designing here. Okay, so you can explore yourself. You can add some text, templates, and other designs here. Let's just say as simple as you just want to write or type something on your Mac, like a simple text. You can just see it right here. Any plain designs, you can see it right here. But this time, what I'm going to show to you is how you upgrade your designs or see wonderful and unique templates for your product. So I'm going to introduce to you an editing tool, which is what we call Canva. And don't worry, this is for free. So all you have to do is to sign up. Now, if you want to sell a mug, there is a template there for mugs. And you can see it below that you can just simply tap or drag these designs, then you can start, downloading and posting it on your Printify or Shopify store. So as you can see, this is just the examples of the designs here. Feel free to add something like you can add text, you can add elements, you can add other designs. So let's just say this one. I'm going to add this, but this one for me is like very simple, so I wanted to add something like this. And then if you want to add elements such as any objects or animals, you just have to go to elements and then search that specific element that you want to add to your Canva. Let's just say I want to add a dog. Okay, also I want to add a bird. Everything is up to you to make it look like a very nice design so people can really buy it. Okay, so we have here bird. I'm going to add it right here. Okay, and then after that, you can just simply resize this or change position, change the color. Once done, go to share and then download this. But of course, if there is a good quality for this, you must be aware that you should know what are the best size, the best format in order to download or in order to produce a high quality design. Okay, so once done, go to download. And then once you have downloaded this, you can go back to your Printify and then you can start importing this design to your Printify. So since we already downloaded this, we can just import it from our device. Okay, so let's do it again this time. This is just a plain or, a simple plain white. So we're going to add the picture or the image that we have created earlier from Canva or using Canva. This is what it looks like. So feel free to add something. Okay, add some text or templates or any designs here. Okay, color. Okay, you can also resize, rotate, scale. And then once you're done, what you want to do is just simply click this save product right here. Now, once you save this product, then automatically you will see this product on your Shopify products too. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, then once you're done again, what you want to do is to just simply export anything here and then that's it. Now we have here the preview. Okay, so when people visit your store, they can see this. Okay, views, front, left, back, and so on, title, image. And then once you're okay with this, too wonderful, right? So all you have to do is to click publish, and that's it. Now you can also add some product description. You can change this one. Okay, you can add some words. For example, this is like I'm going to sell vintage mugs or whatsoever. Description you can add, you can change. And then also for tags, you can add tags. For shipping, you can assign shipping profile. And then, yeah, for variants, for pricing, everything is up to you. So once you're okay with this, what you want to do is to just simply click this publish button right here. Okay. So that's it. That's how easy it is to design your product here on your Printify. So we have also here inventory, retail price, profit margin, and you could just simply add or edit this. Everything is up to you. Okay, so product visibility, let's just remain it that way. And then after that, what you want to do is to click publish. Okay, so once done, what we're going to do now is to go to our Shopify products. Okay, so let's go to our Shopify products here. You can share feedback if you want. Okay, so yeah, this is what it looks like. And then we're going to click products right here. And then this is how the customers can view when you have your store using your Shopify. They're going to click this one. If they like it, of course, they will order this or add to cart. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when you tap this. You can edit this also under your Shopify store. Okay, so I'm going to show you what it looks like if this one is posted on your Shopify store. So what I'm going to do now is to view this online store here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So here we are. We have our, customized mug here. And then if you're a customer, then you can add this to your cart and then proceed to your payment method or checkout. So that's it. That's how easy it is. People can just simply go to your Shopify store and then add this to their cart, order this. Then you don't need to do anything. Printify partners will be notified that someone has ordered this to your store. So they will prepare anything, the products, how many products, the variants, the colors, according to what you have designed here. Okay. So that's how simple it is. And that's the reason why people prefer to really start their business with drop shipping using Shopify and Printify. It's so easy. All you have to do is, know a little bit of designing. Okay, download Canva as much as possible. And then, yeah, design your products. You should know also what products to sell. And let's just say you also like to use these products as much as possible. So when people ask you about this product, you can also answer them when you go to your customer support. Okay. So this is how you simply start your business, and this is how you make money online with a print on demand drop shipping using your Shopify account or Shopify store, and also the print on demand or Printify platform. So I really hope this video helped you. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.